How to fix WhatsApp not opening on laptop for Windows 10 or 11. Now, first things first is you have to make sure that you're currently running the latest version of your current operating system. So just pull up your Windows icon right here and then just look for update. Now click on check for updates. And then from here, you should be able to know if your operating system needs an update because there is going to be a visible update or install button that's going to be here. So once you have completely updated your operating system, what you want to do next is to close this window right here, go back to your Windows bar, and type in apps and features. And from here, if you currently installed your WhatsApp on your PC, then you'll have to manually uninstall it. So all you have to do is you can go ahead and look for it from here, or you can just directly search it from the search bar. Now once you have completely uninstalled your WhatsApp, just close this bar right here and pull up your Microsoft Store and head to the search bar and look for WhatsApp application once again. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to try to install WhatsApp again, and once everything is installed, you are now ready to go and using WhatsApp. So that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix WhatsApp not opening on laptop for Windows 10 and 11.